What we're going to take a look at in this video is a really simple formula that we can use to wrap around any formulas that we currently have in a sheet to automatically expand them into a new row that we put in. This obviously is a really simple sheet just to show you, but if you've got a big sheet with, columns with 10 different columns of all different formulas in, it can be a real pain when you add new rows to then go down and keep copying the formula as you go down. And if you just take the formula and paste it all the way down the page to solve that problem, then you've got the issue of it looking messy. It doesn't look very nice. You might have div errors all over the place. So we're just going to have a look at how to wrap a formula in something called an array formula, and how to make that just expand every time we put a new row in. So what we're going to do here is we've got leads and sales, and we want to figure out the conversion. So what we're going to do is we're going to go this, the sales, divided by the leads. You can see here it's saying, asking me to autofill in. So if you were to do that, every time we would put a new one in here, you'd have to drag down, and it would just follow the formula for the row that you're on. We don't want to do that. We just want it to do it by itself. First thing I'm going to do, obviously, is we're just going to change this into a percentage so we have a better look at what we're at the conversion rate. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come here and we're going to press Control Shift and Enter, which puts in an array formula like this, as you can see at the start. If you're on a Mac, I think it's Command Shift and Enter. What we now need to do is where we've got the sales in C is put :C, and then the same for B, so it highlights the whole row. Okay. If you hit enter, what it's going to do is it's going to come up with the formulas, but it's going to give us these disgusting things here with div errors all over the place, and nobody wants to open up a sheet and see that. So what you need to do is come here and type if, open bracket, A2 to A equals speech mark, comma, speech mark, comma, and then hit enter. So now you can see it looks nice and clean. We've got it in each row where we've got some data, and if we come in here and we put a new person in, as you can see it's already come up, and we'll put their numbers in, it gives us their conversion rate automatically. So like I said, if you've got a sheet where you've got loads of columns that are figuring out sums, and you do not want to have to go in every time you add a new row and manually input the new formula for that row, this solves that for you. I will put this in the description so you can copy it. If anybody has any questions, please just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.